You can do some pretty cool things with Lego, and I just found another one. This is a fully functioning single-cylinder Lego vacuum engine. Alright, so hook it up to the vacuum cleaner. I'm losing too much vacuum just hooking it directly and holding it with my hand, so if we tape it, we'll be able to get a better seal. So the way this works is by offsetting the valve and the piston by 90 degrees. So we'll start, let's start right here. So this is at bottom dead center. The piston is as low as it can go, and at this point the valve has started to open. And you can see as I spin this, you've got the valve opening and closing. So the valve has just started to open, and now that that airway is open, the vacuum is going to pull the cylinder up. And right when it gets to top dead center, that valve closes again. Now we're at the top, and this flywheel here is going to keep the momentum going, and while that valve is closed, that piston is just going to keep sliding down until it gets to the bottom and that valve starts to open and it sucks the piston back up. And the throttle is a pretty simple mechanism. There's just a lever in here that can flip this thing up and it blocks the airflow. That way allows full flow and this stops. This vacuum engine is not my design. This is a very common Lego vacuum engine that lots of people have been perfecting for long before me. The throttle